Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants. First, gather your ingredients, including 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 7 grams of active dry yeast, 45 grams of sugar, and 150 grams of cold, unsalted butter. We'll use a simplified approach, making this classic pastry accessible for everyone. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve those beautiful, flaky layers right in your own kitchen. Let's get started on this delicious baking adventure. To begin, whisk together your flour, sugar, yeast, and a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 120 milliliters of lukewarm milk and 150 grams of cold, cubed unsalted butter. Gently combine these ingredients until a stiff dough forms, ensuring the butter remains in small, distinct pieces. This is crucial for creating those signature flaky layers. Wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, or even overnight, to allow it to chill thoroughly. After chilling, roll your dough into a rectangle, approximately 16 inches by 10 inches. Fold the short sides into the middle, then fold again like a book. Rotate the dough a quarter turn and repeat this rolling and folding process 3 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes between each fold. This creates the many layers. Finally, roll the dough to about 1/8 inch thick, cut into triangles, and roll them into crescent shapes. Place them on a baking sheet and let them proof for 2 to 3 hours until doubled in size. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently brush your proofed croissants with an egg wash made from 1 egg yolk and a tablespoon of milk or cream for that beautiful, shiny, golden brown crust. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden and feel light and airy. Allow them to cool slightly on a wire rack before serving. They are truly best enjoyed fresh on the day they are baked. Be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.